In this video, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video into Google Sites. Head over to YouTube, browse the videos or search for the video you want to embed. Once you have selected the video, look below the video player for the share button. Click the share button. In the pop-up window, select Embed. Another window will appear showing the HTML embed code. Click Copy to copy the code to your clipboard. Now go to the Google Sites and open the website where you want to place the video. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. In your Google Sites editor, locate and click the Embed option from the right side menu. Choose the Embed Code tab. Paste the embed code you copied from YouTube into the provided box. Double check the code to ensure it was pasted correctly. Click next to preview the video will appear. If everything looks good, click insert to place the video onto your page. You can drag and resize the video to match the layout and design of your Google Sites. Now that's it for today. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.